Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make hummus. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 cup of chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of tahini, a 1/4 cup of reserved bean liquid, a 1/4 cup of olive oil divided, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt divided, a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, some water for boiling, as well as some additional oil and paprika to garnish. We'll start by rinsing our chickpeas in the sink and pulling out any stones. Then we'll put our chickpeas in a pot and cover them with about 6 cups of water. We'll add a teaspoon of our salt and a tablespoon of our oil to prevent our beans from foaming. To save time, I'm going to use the pressure cook setting on a multi-cooker. If you'd prefer, you can soak your beans overnight and cook them on the stovetop. We'll set our multi-cooker to cook on high pressure for 45 minutes. Then we'll let our beans depressurize naturally for 30 minutes. After an additional 30 minutes, we'll manually release any pressure left in our multi-cooker. Once we've depressurized our beans, we'll drain them over a collection bowl and collect a 1/4 cup of our bean liquid for later use. Then we'll rinse our beans in cold water and peel them. The skins should simply pinch right off. Once we've finished peeling our chickpeas, we'll start to make the hummus in a food processor with the blade attachment. We'll add our 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of garlic, teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon each of cumin, paprika, and onion powder. We'll process this on high speed until well mixed, about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, we'll add 1/2 of our chickpeas, 1/2 of our reserved bean liquid, and 1/2 of our oil, and continue to process on high speed, scraping down the sides as necessary. Once well combined, we'll incorporate the remaining 1/2 of our chickpeas, our remaining oil, and our remaining bean liquid until fully processed. We'll transfer this to a bowl and allow it to chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour before garnishing with additional olive oil and paprika and serving with some crudités. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.